สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to Speak Thai right now with me, Kruu Gift. In this video, you will learn how to say nice to meet you in Thai. There are three words that you need to know. The first one is ยินดี ยินดี means be glad. Second one is ที่ ที่ is the link word, link between two words, two clauses or two sentences. And third one is รู้จัก รู้จัก means to know someone or some place. So now we put them together. ยินดีที่รู้จัก Repeat after me. ยินดีที่รู้จัก ยินดีที่รู้จัก Well done! Now you can say nice to meet you to Thai people. If you like this video, please follow our channel and see you in the next video. สวัสดีค่ะ Bye!